What if I told you the white powder in your kitchen could restore blood flow to your penis? You probably use baking soda to clean your sink or freshen your fridge. But for thousands of men over 60, including my own patients, it has done something far more surprising. Revives circulation, erections, and even confidence in the bedroom. I'm a urology professor with 30 years in men's health, and I've learned this. The best medicine isn't always in a pill bottle. Sometimes it's already in your pantry. Here's what most men never hear. Baking soda isn't just for heartburn. Used correctly, it can boost nitric oxide, improve blood oxygen, balance your body's pH, help testosterone work better. In this video, I'll reveal 10 science-backed ways baking soda helps older men regain vitality, plus a morning trick one patient used with stunning results. If you're a man over 60 who wants natural solutions for strength and confidence, subscribe now. This is content designed for you. Benefit number 1. Balances blood pH. 4. Stronger circulation. Harold, 69, was frustrated. Doc, I don't feel like a man anymore. My body won't respond. His heart was healthy. Hormones, normal. But his blood pH was too acidic, a silent killer for why it matters. Acidity narrows blood vessels, pinching off flow like a kinked hose. Baking soda alkalizes your blood, helping arteries relax and deliver oxygen where it's needed most. The result, after 3 weeks of baking soda plus lemon water, Harold walked in grinning. My wife noticed a difference. Benefit number 2. Fights inflammation. The quiet thief of performance, Samuel, 71, was baffled. My body works against me. I want intimacy, but I'm just incapable. Tests showed elevated CR. Chronic inflammation hardens blood vessels, blocking nitric oxide signal that tells your penis to fill with blood. Baking soda's role. Studies show it calms immune overreactions, easing vascular inflammation. Samuel added 1/2 TSP baking soda plus daily walks. 1 month later, it's like something unclogged inside me. Benefit number 3. Boosts nitric oxide. Thomas, 66, was desperate. Doc, my brain says yes, but my body says nothing. The culprit, nitric oxide deficiency. No tells blood vessels to expand, but acidity breaks it down faster. Baking soda helps. By alkalizing blood, it protects nitrogen monoxide and improves oxygen use. Thomas paired it with breath work. Result: I'm waking up with something I haven't seen in years. Benefit number 4. Supercharges oxygen delivery. Richard, 72, a retired firefighter, felt out of fuel. Tests revealed low oxygen saturation. The fix: alkaline blood helps hemoglobin release oxygen more efficiently to tissues, including those tissues. After 3 weeks, it feels warmer, like things are flowing again.